Why 3 is missing? 1, 2, 4 and 5. Why? Sometimes we don't want to stop the loop, we just want to skip one specific step and continue. That's where continue comes in. Continue is used to skip the current iteration and move to the next loop cycle. And this is the part of our today class, and we are going to understand what is continue and how the continue is working in Python. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Unlike break stops the loop, continue skips only one step. Let me write the code to understand this. Let me write I equal to 0. Then while I is less than 6, I plus equal to 1. If I equal to 3, continue. Otherwise print I. Let me explain what I did. I am going to use the while loop inside Python. So we initialize the I with value 0. I is our variable, and we initialize this I variable with the value 1 while I is less than 6. Yes, 0 is less than 6. Then codes come here. I plus equal to 1, I becomes 2, I becomes 1 from 0. If 1 is equal to 3, not, then it will print. And the next iteration I becomes 2. 2 is equal to 3, no, 2 is not equal to 3, then it will print 2. And the next iteration 3, I becomes 3, 3 equal to 3, yes, then on 3 this condition will be true, and this continue statement will skip this 3, and then it will go to the next iteration. I becomes 4 and 4 equal to 3, then it will print. Let me run my code to see what this actually code is doing. Python continue statement. As you see, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3 is missing here, and this 3 is equal to 3, this condition will becomes true, and with the help of continue, this condition is true, continue runs, not skip print I for the 3, nothing printed because this condition true and the continue run. With the help of continue skips only current iteration, loops continues running, useful in filtering data when we working with API, and must update variable before continue. And if you want to skip not stop, continue